Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card on the Shein app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Shein app. Here it opens up in the shop menu. From here we just have to go into the Me menu, here in the bottom right corner. Then tap on gift card. And here under the best sellers list, we can browse and find gift card that is that we would like. It's pretty much the same thing, just the message differs. So let's see one of these. Here we can select the how it looks. Maybe it's a thank you gift card. Then we can select the amount, the recipient, your name, maybe a message, and yeah, then we can continue with the order. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.